Here is how to upload files and folders onto Google Drive and share them with others. So let's get started. If you haven't already, just come to your browser and search for drive.google.com. Then you'll reach this page if you've logged in with your Google account, or else you'll have to sign in. Once you're here, just click on My Drive, and the next step is to upload the files or folder that you want to share. To do this, just click on New, that's written here, and select one of these two options, File Upload or Folder Upload. So let's say I want to share an entire folder. I'll click on Folder Upload. Then just select the folder that you'll want to share. So let's say it's this one. Just select it and click on Upload. So here they've said that all 9 files inside this folder will also get uploaded. So click on Upload, and you can see the folder is now getting uploaded, and it's done. So you can see it over here, and if you can't find it, you can just click on this Locate button that's on the bottom right. So now that it's uploaded, the only thing left to do is share it with others. So to do this, just click on the folder and click on this icon, which is to share. One is by entering the email ID of the person you want to share it with. So over here, you can just enter the email ID. After that, you can select their role. So currently they can edit this folder, but if you only want to let them view it, click on this and select Viewer. After that, you can decide if you want to notify them and if you want to send a message, and then just click on Send to send it. So this was one method, and for the second method, just click on this, click on the share icon again, and here under General Access, you can see it's currently restricted. So click on this and make it anyone with a link. After that, you'll have to update the role. So currently, they can only view, but if you click on it, you can change it to commenter or editor. And the last thing to do is just click on Copy Link, then click on Done. And you just have to share this link, and anyone who has this link can access this folder. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.